Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study history exam updated. Start by mapping the syllabus and identifying major themes, then allocate blocks for focused study. Use 25-minute sessions with short breaks to maintain energy. Prioritize active recall and timed practice answers, and create a one-page cheat sheet of main causes and effects. Review primary source techniques, and compare interpretations to strengthen essay arguments and exam confidence. Start with simple memory tools like mnemonics and storytelling to make dates and events stick. Build visual timelines to see sequence and causation clearly, and annotate them with short summaries. Practice explaining key events aloud or to a study partner to reveal weak spots. Mix retrieval practice with spaced repetition, revisiting topics multiple times to convert short-term knowledge into durable memory for exam day. If you're finding these tips helpful, please like and subscribe to support more practical study guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers seen here to save time between study blocks and avoid spills on your notes. I've linked the product in the description along with other deals you might like, so check it out when you can. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Approach the exam with strategy. Read each prompt slowly and underline command verbs to guide your response. Spend a few minutes planning essays with a clear thesis and 3 supporting points backed by evidence. Manage time by assigning minutes per section and sticking to that schedule, leaving time to proofread. Use concise topic sentences and link evidence to argument directly, and avoid rehashing context without analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.